couple of predictions that I have for the market. I mean, these are just predictions. It's just to have a little fun and see how wrong I am in the future. Yeah, I don't think any of this will come true, but yeah, I'm just doing it just to have a little fun, and so you guys can see what my thoughts are. So this is my watch list on TraderView. It's a pretty a good charting software that I use. I use the free version, and it's pretty good. Gives the charts for a lot of stocks that you can sort of add to your watch list. But you can pay for premium services, and it improves the number of the different features it has, so that you could add different technical analysis tools into your charts. But yeah, it's a pretty cool service. So let's get to the predictions. I'm gonna be looking at the mini futures chart. This just is the futures trading that takes place overnight. And this video, I'm doing it April 5th. So there's already a candle of a pretty big candle on as you can see here, April 5th. It looks like overnight it's gonna open around 700 points up. But this is what the three scenarios that I see happening. So let's start with the orange scenario. I think that the quickest the market tests the lows of March 23rd, I guess. I think the faster the recovery will be, and that's just because the market tends to sort of make most people wrong. So I feel like if the market goes down from here, and it would get rid of a lot of people that bought and thought the 2200 on the S&P was the low. And after that, I think it will do more chopping around, get rid of more people, and then I feel like it would continue a pretty good and fast recovery up by the end of the year. The next one is this sort of blue line. This line, I feel like it's a little more would take more time to test the lows. So I feel like this is a more messy trajectory that the stock market would take. This one tests the lows of around 1900 maybe, and then continues to have a slow recovery, just because a lot of people would sell into the strength of the market, just because there will be a lot of people that just want to get out. They're going to be too scared. So I think that the lowest it goes, and the longer it takes for it to test those lows on March 23rd, then the slower the recovery will be. And that's just for this blue line again. Then it's hopefully is this purple line, that the one that I would think would be the best for my that I see the most chance of happening, I guess, just because this would mean that from here we start another leg up, and all the people that think that the drop is done are gonna buy. Maybe even after this 2800 gets broken, they're gonna buy, and that's when the market is gonna make them look wrong again, and it's gonna drop, and they're gonna feel like, you know, they don't want to get in the market ever again. So yeah, I feel like that's when the bullish people are gonna start buying again, and then that's when the market is, you know, gonna make them cry again. So I think that one's gonna drop, and then maybe there's more choppiness before that, but I mean, just this is my simple kind of view. So I think it would drop to around 1700, and after that, this is gonna be a quick V-shaped bottom recovery, just because a lot of people are gonna, you know, a lot of big funds are gonna see the deals that are out there, and I mean, they're just gonna load up and are gonna leave a lot of investors behind just because they got bearish. And I feel like that one's a good scenario, just because I'm expecting it to go more down and feel like, you know, the world is ending. And yeah, it should start recovering by about, you know, the end of the year again, but a little faster than if we take a while to test those lows. So yeah, this is just a fun video of me predicting sort of what I think the patterns of the market could be. But if you guys let me know in the comments which one you guys think would happen, or let me know what other sort of patterns you think might happen. And other than that, just subscribe, like the video, and I'll put a link in the description for Webull, and so you guys can get free stocks whenever you guys sign up. Well, have a good day.